Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Anwar. My ID metric I19204-052. I would like to present subtopic 6.1. What are the problem of managing data in a traditional file environment? It an effective information system provide user with accurate, timely and relevant information. Accurate information is free of error. Information is timely when it is available to decision maker when it is needed. Information is relevant when it is useful and appropriate for the type of work and decision that require it. You might be surprised to learn that many businesses doesn't have timely, accurate or relevant information because the data in their information system has been poorly organized and maintained. Next we go to file organization term and concept. A computer system organizes data in a hierarchy that start with bit and byte and progress to field, record, file and database. A bit represents the smallest unit of data a computer can handle. A group of bits called a byte represent a single character which can be a letter, a number or another symbol. A grouping of character into a word, a group of words or a complete number such as a person name or age is called a field. A group of related fields such as student name, the course taken, the date and the grade comprise a record. A group of record of the same type is called a file. Next we go to problem with the traditional file environment. In most organizations, systems tended to grow independently without a company-wide plan. Accounting, finance, manufacturing, human resource and sales and marketing all develop in their own system and data file. Each application of course requires its own file and its own computer program to operate. For example, the human resource functional area might have a personal master file, a payroll file, a medical insurance file, a pension file, a mailing list file and so forth until 10, perhaps 100 of file and program existed. Next we go to data redundancy and inconsistency. Data redundancy is the the presence of duplicate data in multiple data files so that the same time are stored in more than one place or location. Data redundancy occurs when different groups in an organization independently collect the same piece of data and store it independently of each other. Data redundancy wastes storage resources and also lead to data inconsistency where the same attribute may have different value. Next we go to program data dependence. Program data dependence refer to the coupling of data stored in file and the specific program required to update and maintain those files such that change in program require change to the data. Every traditional computer program has to describe the location and nature of the data with which it's work. Next we go to lack of flexibility. A traditional file system can deliver routine scheduled report after extensive program effort, but it cannot deliver an hot report or respondent to unanticipated information requirement in a timely fashion. The information required by an ad hoc request is somewhere in the system but may too expensive to retrieve. Next we go to poor security. Because there is a little control or management of data, access to and dissemination of information may be out of control. Management may have no way of knowing who is accessing or even making change to the organization data. And last, we go to lack of data sharing and availability. Because piece of information in different file and different part of the organization cannot be related to one another, it is virtually impossible for information to be shared or accessed in a timely manner. Information cannot flow freely across different functional area or different part of the organization. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.